Hello student, let me continue exercise 3.3, sum 10 to 12 plus examples. Sum number 10 is on your screen. Explain how this figure is a trapezium which of its two sides are parallel. Figure K, L, M, N. Add. Given K, L, M, N is quadrilateral. Angle L plus M. Value of L is 80. M is 100. Becomes 180. So KL is parallel to MN. KL is parallel to MN because by converse of parallel lines. If lines are parallel, then co-interior angle sum is 180 and its converse. If sum of two angle is 180, then they lie between the same parallel, called converse of parallel lines. Sum number 11. Find measure of angle C in figure ABCD if AB is parallel to DC. Given AB is parallel to DC, to find measure of angle C, its solution. Angle B plus C equals to 180 degree. Give reason here why it is 180. That's why co-interior angles. Angle B 120. Angle C same. Solving, 120 comes to right hand side. It becomes of 60 degree. Dear student, you have to mark a line at the right side of the page for rough work, in which we can do like this: 180 minus 120 comes 60. That is the important area in the mass. Now next is example number 12. Find the measures of angle P and S if SP is parallel to RQ. Angle of 90 degree. Given angle Q 130, angle R 90 degree. SP is parallel to RQ. Here we have to find angle P and angle S. Solution. These two lines are parallel to each other. That's why angle P plus angle Q is of 180 degree. Think reason why it is? Because co-interior angles. Angle P same. Q is 130. Then angle is P 50 degree. For angle S, adding angle S, we have to find angle R 90 degree. Then angle S is of 90 degree. That is your required answer. Example number 3. In example number 3, Find the perimeter of PQRS. Here PQRS is a parallelogram. Given PQRS is parallelogram. To find its perimeter. Solution. We know that PQ is equals to SR. Reason: opposite sides are equal. SP is equals to RQ 7 centimeter. Same reason. To find the perimeter of any polygon, that is sum of all sides. Perimeter of parallelogram, sum of all sides. आपने ऐड करके दिखाना है 12 + 7 + 12 + 7. यूज रफ वर्क एरिया. It makes 38 centimeter. Okay guys. Now next, example number 4. Important example. BEST is a parallelogram, BEST, in which we goes anti-clockwise. Find the values of x, y and z. Given BEST is a parallelogram, symbol of parallelogram. To find x, y, z, at the right side of the page you will make figure like this, then write down given, to find and solution. Do work neatly everyone. BT is parallel to ES, that's why sum of these two angle is 180 degree. 100 plus Z is equals to 180. Give reason. Co-interior angles. Then angle Z equals to 80 degree. BT is parallel to ES. Angle Y. Angle Y equals to 100. Reason: alternate interior angles. Next one, angle X. Angle X equals to angle 100. Reason: opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. Hence, angle X equals to 100, Y equals to 100 and Z is equals to 80 degree is your correct answer. Now the example number 5. In a parallelogram ring is measure of angle R equals to 70 degree. We have to find all the angles of parallelogram. Given ring is a parallelogram. To find all the angles. Solution. Here angle R is of 70 degree. Then angle N also 70 degree. Angle R equals to angle N equals to 70. Reason: because opposite angles are equal. Next one, angle R plus angle I equals to 180. Give reason here. Co-interior angles. Put the value of angle R, which is 70. 70 plus angle I equals to 180. Only we have to solve. It comes 110 degree. Angle I is equals to angle G. Reason, opposite angles are equal. So, all angles of a parallelogram is angle R equals to angle N 70 degree, angle I equals to angle G 110 degree. Last example of this exercise, HELP, help, is a parallelogram given OE 4 centimeter and HL equals to 5 more than PE. We have to find OH. Dear student, listen carefully. You have to make the figure of every question at the right side of the page and use always a line for rough work area. OE, that is 4 centimeter. Help is a parallelogram. To find OH. Solution. We know that diagonal bisect each other of a parallelogram, means to say PO is equals to OE. PO equals to OE equals to 4 centimeter. Give reason why it is. Because diagonal bisect each other of a parallelogram. Then PE, 4 plus 4 makes 8. Important line. HL. HL is means to say equal to 5 more plus 5. Then PE. PE is 8. Then HL equals to 13 centimeter. And we have to find HO. Then HO is half of 13 makes 6.5 centimeter is your required answer. Thank you, student. Have a nice day. Keep smiling always.